No, I was asking you a while ago if you offered Mr. Nino Mulak financial contribution to any charitable institution of his own choice, and then you denied it. Now here comes the affidavit signed by Attorney Annette, who I think this person is very credible. Here comes the affidavit signed by Attorney Annette saying that you indeed offered financial contribution to any charitable institution of his choice. What can you say?
Your Honor, upon review po of the affidavit po of Ms. Annette Gozon, nowhere in the affidavit does she mention po that there was an offer of settlement, Your Honor. And in fact, she mentioned only the donation to the charitable institution after she put after the paragraph where she put that she said that Mr. Nino Mulak came from a previous scheduled charity event.
Correct.
4 and 5, Your Honor. So it supports our statement earlier, Your Honor, that that it was part of
Basahin mo ngayon number 5. Number 5.
Do we read it?
That Mr. Jojo Nones, I'll just read it for you. That Mr. Jojo Nones mentioned in that meeting that if Mr. Nino Mulak would want, they can donate to a charitable institution of Mr. Nino Mulak's choice. Number 6, that Mr. Nino Mulak declined. Number 7, that Mr. Nino Mulak stated that he wants to pursue the HR case against Jojo Nones and Richard Cruz. Oh. Maliwanag na maliwanag. Dito sa affidavit na nagsisinungaling ka.
Hindi po, Your Honor, kasi context po is material po, Your Honor.
Nagsisinungaling. I was asking you, did you offer any financial contribution to any charitable institution?
No offer po of settlement, Your Honor.
I did not ask if it's a settlement or not. The only question I'm asking you is that if you offered financial contribution. I did not say it's a settlement. You're putting words into my mouth. Mr. Chair, I move that he be cited in contempt.
Mr. Jojo Nunes, naiintindahan niyo po ba yung motion na kayo po ay patawan ng contempt?
Opo, Your Honor, pero with all due respect po, Your Honor, nag-explain
Wala na, nagsisinungaling ka na eh. Alam mo, Jojo, alam mo hindi kita kilala ha. Kahit matagal na ako sa showbiz, hindi kita kilala. Pero huwag naman ganun. Ha? We are here trying to know the truth, to ferret out the truth. Eh pag patuloy ka nagsisinungaling dito sa amin, talagang isa-side ka namin contempt. Maliwanag na dito sa affidavit. Maliwanag na sinabi ni Sandro. May drugs pa involved. May sexual harassment na involved. Hindi lang nga sexual harassment eh. Assault eh. Dahil pinagsamantalahan nyo yung bata, pinag-take nyo ng drugs, tsaka nyo pinagsamantalahan. That is a, what do you call this? Drug-induced sexual assault? Tama ba yung sinabi ko, attorney? NBI. Kawawa naman yung bata. Pinag-drugs yun ha, hinalay nyo pa.
NBI?
Sir, Your Honor, good afternoon po. There was an allegation po na pinag-sniff po siya ng drugs before the alleged na pang-aabuso po.
See? Continue deny. Continue denying it. Oh.
Mr. Jojo,
Sergeant at Arms to Mr. Chair.
Sasagot po ba kayo o yan pa rin po ba ang sagot po ninyo?
Yes po, Your Honor. Sumasagot po kami. These are allegations po. Mismo po si Attorney Conales po, sinabi niya po, allegations lang po. We deny po the allegations, Your Honor.
Po, there is a motion to cite Mr. Jojo Nones in contempt. Without any objection, the motion is approved. So ordered. Meron pong motion para patawan si Jojo Nones ng
Senator
contempt.
Lang.
Dahil wala pong nag-o-object, pinapagdan po
Please.
ito at pinag-uutos. Sergeant at Arms.
Hindi pwede.
You bring him to the detention cell. Attorney Topacio, you're not only lawyering for Mr. Gerard Santos, am I correct? You're also here as an independent resource person
Yes,
because
Your
you're
Honor.
handling cases relative to these issues.
Yes, Your Honor.
Correct?
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right. Kanina sinabi ko, hindi lang lalaki minumolest siya, pati mga babae.